Hey guys, what's up? It's JC. I'm over at Offenhauser Foundry in Commerce, California, where they cast a whole bunch of our stuff. I'm holding an early Plymouth Dodge straight 6 intake. You still see all the risers and the gating on it. And next to me are the runner cores and the heat cores. So you can see this heat core goes in the bottom. That's what makes the cavity for your exhaust heat. You'll also notice there's a wire inside. That wire is embedded in the sand core. That's what holds the sand core together so it doesn't break. And after the sand is knocked out, we'll yank the wires. You also have a couple wires inside the main runner. So there's some wires in here which help give it some support so it doesn't break during the process. But yeah, we'll here at the foundry, they'll cut the gating off. They'll cut off the risers, grind off the parting lines. Then they'll send it over to us where we machine it, drill it, tap it, pack it, and ship it to you. Okay, I'm down here in the grind and cut area. This is where they grind off all of the gating, all the risers. You can see here where they've cut it off. They leave a little extra material. That's what we will machine off. They'll also grind down and remove all the parting lines and all these flashes. That gets taken off. You can see they just kind of pop off. After that, they'll pull the wires, send it to heat treat, then they'll send it over to us where we machine, drill, and tap. This is an example of one of those Plymouth castings that is what we call a misrun. It means that it's not salvageable. The casting cannot be repaired. You can see obviously there's a big hole in it. That would give you quite a vacuum leak. I don't think that would work. But this casting they'll just take this and melt it back down and put it back into the process. This will not be used or sold.